You're actually pretty good. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Ow. Yeah, how'd that feel? Ow! My pinky! Ow! Ow! Okay.
Làm gì đó con lùn kia? Làm gì đó con lùn kia? Ủa? Trời ơi, banh cái màn của tao rồi. Cái đứa cháu ngoại vậy nó quậy hết sức không? Rồi làm gì nữa? Rồi làm gì nữa? Làm gì nữa? Con này nó khùng rồi.
Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
Ủa? Ủa? Gì vậy? Ủa gì vậy?
Hey.
Màn đánh ghen độc lạ nhất Vịnh Bắc Bộ, chị vợ 3 máu 6 con đến hơn thua với người yêu của chồng thì lại phải quay xe sang tâm sự mềm mỏng.
Hey, bro.
Từ ตาไม่จันน้องร้องเลยลืมทางออกแค่อยากจะบอกเธอทำให้ใจของผมละลายละละละละละละ
谁能告诉我这只小猫咪在做什么
？Che c'è? Vuoi che t'apro l'acqua?
kêu cả có
Hello，我能摸摸你吗？你真可爱，你真胖啊！你简直都是我梦中情猫。
真是很无聊。哦，天公不作美，我躺在床上睡。无聊的世界，因为我又添了一顿累赘。แต่ตาไม่จันน้องร้องเลยลืมทางออกแค่อยากจะบอกเธอทำให้ใจของ They said this phase wouldn't last, but boy you still got my heart beating fast.
What are you doing? You don't know how open doors. You don't know how to open doors. Daddy will be out in a little bit. Get down. Serious?
So nice.
Kitty yearns for the light, unaware that she is the very light that shines in the eyes of many. The love pup has for his dad's enough for him to build a mountain. This dog's rooftop relaxation session was interrupted by a seagull that wanted to claim the sun for himself. As long as he doesn't miss a party with his friends, this height is too normal for him. A good way to build a friendship is not to help a friend see his craziness, but to join him. The fetch game can be started with 2 friends and without any equipment. When your bestie needs a shoulder to lean on, make sure it's not you. How can he see the road with a bowl on his face?
Puff, Belle. Over here. Over here. Puff, Belle.
Horrible. Non!
Kitty's on a quest to engrave her mark on this territory.
Trop marre de ces chats. Et vraiment, viens, on les vend. Non!
Looks like Mom doesn't need to think about what's on the menu for tonight.
Buddy's got the fish and everything.
Oh my God.
Kitty's parents probably need to take him to the eye doctor as soon as possible.
How you doing? What are you? Ow! No. Oh, okay.
This is the only friend immune to his persuasive skills.
Don't wonder if anyone can kidnap this cat with a plastic bag. Puppy doesn't have to run very far to beat him in a tag game.
Você escolhe o pão, você escolhe a amiga.
For your information, the Golden's mouth has a large capacity.
Os dois?
Even while barking, Golden won't let anyone steal his ball. Thanks for helping Mama clean the house today.
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog. I want the one who sits on the 50th.
Give Kitten a few seconds. He'll bring back some trouble. Kitty's been waiting a long time to visit her best friend's new house. When Doggo demanded to graduate from hunting class after just one lesson. I thought this was a new species of creature until it was a dog.
Buddy, can I just get my key?
Since superheroes all have special capes, he must have his own too.
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me.
Doggie's ready to take singing classes 7 days a week. Giving each other peace is a prospect they will never allow to happen. They just want to test their licking skills before dating their crush. What to do when it's cold, but you don't have a blanket?
Supposed to be on the counter. No, 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 no. That's dangerous.
when a soccer fan realizes his favorite team is about to lose. Anyone want to join in? Thanks for being here.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow.
Get a fish. Come on.
Cam, stop, stop, stop. You gotta do it.
Let's find out.
It's a Charlie Brown Christmas. Okay.
Sit. High five. High five. Good boy. Good boy.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Oh, you look so cute.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Cái gì?
Got it?
Yep.
The devil.
Tried to hold bubbles in their paws, and the result...
What?
This cat didn't even try to not break anything.
Huh?
Human, what are you filming? This is my secret place. The battle between two cotton balls, and the win belongs to the smaller one. When you're mad at each other, but you're still scared that you may hurt them.
Woo!
Hello, I would like to order a cup of cat for today. Biggest size, please. Anything in this house is my paw clipper. Fast and clean, this cat didn't even hesitate for a moment to steal food. More proof that cat is liquid. They can fix anything. It was the gravity, not me. I am not clumsy. Honey, you're adorable, but that doesn't mean you can do anything. This shows us the only disadvantage of being a cat: wingless. Getting out of bed today just to find another nest. Me trying to get out of the problem I created for myself. Excuse me, has this furball just been wiped on the carpet? Someone please teach him some hygiene. Once this Sphinx gets bigger, these containers will be at risk. Trying to copy the viral cooking cat on TikTok, and the result is like... Guess who has been waiting all day for Human to come home and rub his belly? Cats refuse to simply sit on the chair and have to pull a whole show for us. Cat's nature. If they find a hole in the house, they must see if they fit. Playing hide and seek with cats often ends up in failure for humans. A tug-of-war game between human and cat. We can already guess the winner. Only the smell of food could wake a sleeping cat. A very rare piece of footage of cat exercising. Please appreciate. Stealing in broad daylight? These robbers are sure getting bolder. Humans, please be more careful.
Nice hat, partner.
Seems like our superstar's not in the mood for being filmed today. Next time, ask first.
That's you.
More proof that cats are actually ninjas. No tree is too high, and no enemy is impossible to catch for them. Cat is practicing his paw to break more stuff in the house.
Хима, там вообще-то как бы суп должен будет вариться. Тебя это, смотрю, не смущает, да?
Part 2 of having to take care of my Mimi's rabid cat. Her food bowl's over there and I can't even get to it to feed her because she's being a little... Whoa!
Gotta teach those cats how to use the treadmill to keep fit. This is not only a leg workout, but also an exercise for cats to keep calm and get used to failing. Why are cats always lying in the weirdest positions? Open the door is just a child play to cats.
Really? You didn't even leave.
Rosie. Rosie. Rosie.
Isn't this cat all of us humans at 6 a.m. every morning?
Rosie.
For starters, you're not even supposed to be in the sink. What is in there?
Oh, it's Posey's arch nemesis. You gonna come kick his ass? Okay, wait. No! Hey, Posey! Get the hell back in the house.
I'm sorry, kitty. I'm sorry my cat sucks.
Trying to have a deep conversation with the kitty.
Кто сегодня себя плохо ведет?
Can't even sleep with this annoying legless creature.
What do you think you're doing?
Human can buy many more beds and they will still squeeze in the smallest space.
Be in there. Not there. You okay, Popo? You okay?
When your cats have to stand to listen to the drama outside, you know that it's good. Guess whose patience is running out? Getting used to water to prepare for the beach trip this summer.
You're so psycho. What are you doing? You're a psychopath.
Assassin mode has been turned on when seeing human play with the dog.
A good, friendly boy. Oh, so friendly and not intimidating at all. Oh, what a friendly boy. Oh.
Charming a girl is even easier than making a cat like you. Surprised that Cat isn't scared of this. Maybe his curiosity killed the fear.
Oh my God, son, chill!
Don't you put your head through it.
Oh.
Why is this cat on TV? What's so special about it? It's just big.
Are you ready for the cat to say?
Not everyone needs a bedtime story.
Pardon the laundry. I just wanted to show you how my cat scares the shit out of me about 3 times a week.
This cat has mastered the skill of disguising.
Hey, babies.
First of all, you're nothing but a trashy hoe.
This is the hit for the moon. You may land on the star spirit. When your cat has a very passive-aggressive way to ask for food. Peace was never an option when we have more than one cat in the house.
No.
I almost let my cats break my stuff when they look at me with those sad eyes like this. Meow in this case means, don't come close, human.
Why are you in that plant pot? Oh, okay.
Where are you?
Playing hide and seek with cats is quite easy because they often hide in the most cozy space.
Are you coming out? Hey!
Which cat moment made you laugh the most? Tell us about your cat as well. Thank you for watching.